You think putting up a bid to get this chance is a fair bargain?
I agree it's a crisis, but I don't know if I'll ever get to win a fully sponsored trip. All I know is that I had to put up a bid that would up my chances of winning. It might as well mean losing something to move one step closer to reach there.
Congratulations, sir. Your bid was most valued in our database in the last 24 hours, and we declare you the winner of a trip to the peak.
Why have you brought me here?
रोहन, हम सभी को कहीं ना कहीं पहुंचना है, पर क्या वहां पहुंचने के लिए हम सब अपनी जिंदगी का एक अहम हिस्सा खो दें? क्या तुम आने वाले कल के सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए अपने बीते हुए कल को पूरी तरह मिटा दोगे? You scored an A+ in your 4th grade, just so that you could have all of these presents on your birthday, Rohan. And last night, in a fit of excitement, you decided to do away with all of these.
We grew up together, no? The host is there as Batman to save him. But who's going to save you?